so here we have, oh, tripping on a rock, a late 60s Ambassador. Ooh, 390 V8. This is a perfect example of the old square cars, and I'm absolutely loving it. I've never actually heard of an Ambassador, but I mean, look at that front end. That is a strong, muscular front end. I mean, oh, 1970. Beauty. Fucking 4 headlights, one of them's crooked. Big chrome bumper, it's got the little bumperettes. The classic under the headlight running lights. Chrome trim on the hood. I wish it wasn't covered in snow, but I'm not about to brush off somebody's car. Wow, look at these door handles. I've never, well, I mean I have, but you do not see door handles like that, eh? Chrome trim all the, oh dear. Buddy left his window down, that's not good. That's not good at all. Fucking loving these rims. Or I guess they're not rims, they're hubcaps. Like, this is what a hubcap is supposed to look like. A giant chrome piece that covers the entire wheel. This kind of hubcap is ridiculous. You can tell it's a hubcap because there are holes in it, and that's just stupid. Fucking loving these taillights, the entire width of the rear end. Fucking nice chrome bumper. Again, I wish it wasn't completely covered in snow. But, seat 6 doesn't actually look like a proper bench seat though. Fucking manual windows. Oh, I'm freezing my dick off. Oh. Bit of rust on the bumpers. Oh, it's so cold. Tailpipe sticking out behind the rear wheel. Man, I honestly, I wish I was driving this thing instead of that thing. So much. Like, oh, this is such a beautiful fucking car. SSJ. I don't know if that's the trim model, if that's the owner's initials. It's not actually the first Ambassador I've seen. I've never driven an Ambassador. I don't know if I've ever heard one run. Oh man, looks like somebody keyed it. Okay, now that pisses me off. Although based on the scratches, maybe he hit something, but that is a deep fucking scratch. Fucking chrome trim on the doors and the rear quarters. I'm just loving that 390 badge. I got a 3.9, so that's like 1/10 of this car's engine. My hands are so cold right now. This is one of the things I absolutely love about this province. You'll be just driving down beautiful coastal roads, and then there's just beautiful cars just randomly parked everywhere. Although now I'm seeing a private property sign, so maybe I should fuck off. Jetson Revenger GT. Alright, yeah, I'm cold. I'm getting out of here. This is a beautiful fucking car.